I'm coming back with an answer to a question about diatomaceous earth. The question is it safe to have the powder sprinkled everywhere? I thought we shouldn't breathe it. The thing about the powder is once the powder is laid down, it's fine. It's applying the powder that's the issue. A lot of people don't know how to apply diatomaceous earth because it's so powdery. It creates a cloud of dust. And yes, the dust could be harmful to your lungs if breathed in. Just like house dust. If you're cleaning your home and you shake a rug or something, a big cloud of dust, and you breathe it in, you're going to have issues. You know, it could cause respiratory issues and things like that. So that's why a lot of people say the powder is dangerous. When you're applying diatomaceous earth and you may be doing it for the first time and you don't know how, you wear masks. I myself, I use two masks. That's why I recommend them. I had two different type of masks. I have a respiratory mask and like a regular hospital mask that I doubled. I never wore the respiratory mask because I didn't have to. But once you applying the powder for the first time, you need to wear a mask. I will include a video of the two masks that I recommend. Also, I created an ebook. I have an ebook of how to apply the powder and places you can apply the powder. So that's the big thing with people and having that fear of using diatomaceous earth. Yes, applying the powder can be hazardous to your health. You should not breathe it in, but once the powder is down, it's fine. I have powder down. I keep powder down in my house all year round. All year round. I keep my home covered. I may reapply the powder once a year or whenever I look around and see that the powder may have disappeared or faded away or whatever may have happened to it, I reapply. If a lot of bugs are in the powder, I get the powder up and I reapply. If the powder gets wet, I get the powder up and I reapply. So those are the main things. So you can definitely use diatomaceous earth. Having it around your house is not going to affect you. It's just when you're applying it. If you don't know how, and it's a cloud of dust, that will definitely affect your lungs if you breathe it straight in, just like household dust. Wear the mask, get the ebook, and you will be fine.